I'm Nate Mercer. This is War Brief Daily for July 16. Over the last 24 hours, one development changed the operating picture more than anything else. Russia launched one of its largest combined strikes on Ukraine's energy grid in recent weeks. Elsewhere, the picture is thinner than usual, and I'll tell you exactly where the evidence runs out. Here's the short version. First, Russia's overnight drone and missile attack on Ukrainian infrastructure. Second, unconfirmed reports of Russian ground gains near Vovchansk and Lyman. Third, a wider global picture that, as of this brief, does not support claims of new major escalation in the Middle East, Sudan, or the Indo-Pacific. Start with the confirmed story. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky reported an overnight attack involving roughly 400 drones and one Iskander-M ballistic missile. Targets spanned 5 oblasts: the Dnipropetrovsk, Kharkiv, Mykolaiv, Odesa, and Vinnytsia. Power outages followed. This is confirmed by Ukrainian officials, though a full intercept count and named site damage assessments are not yet available. Here's why the scale matters. A 400 drone package isn't one attack. It's dozens of simultaneous fire alarms. Ukraine's air defense has to split radar coverage and interceptors across 5 regions at once, all while Russia is aiming at the same target said it always aims at: power, repair capacity, and rail-linked logistics. This wasn't random, it was cumulative. Now, the ground war. Defense reporting dated today describes Russian movement near Novokatsky, consolidation on the northern bank of the Vovcha River at Vovchansk, and activity near Kharkivka, northwest of Lyman. I want to be precise here. This reporting uses language like recently and in recent days. It is not time-stamped to this cycle. Footage published today may show Russian presence near Kharkivka, but that confirms location, not timing. Treat this as emerging, not confirmed. Now the rest of the board. Iran, Israel, and the wider Middle East. No credible, time-stamped reporting in this window establishes a new cross-border strike, missile launch, Gulf naval incident, or air defense engagement. That's not the same as saying it's quiet. It means the verified evidence isn't there. Sudan and the Sahel. UN reporting flags an alarming pattern of drone attacks around El Obeid, but nothing confirms a discrete strike in the last day. And the Indo-Pacific, Taiwan Strait, South China Sea, Korean Peninsula. No verified incident surfaced in this cycle either. If you strip away the noise, tonight's global assessment comes down to one line. Russia's multi-region strike on Ukraine's grid is the one substantive, verified development. Everything else is either unconfirmed or absent from the record, and those are two very different things. What to watch next? Ukraine's Air Force accounting and repair assessments over the coming hours. Confirmed damage at named power facilities. Any Ukrainian long-range retaliation. Geolocated confirmation or denial of the reported gains near Vovchansk and Lyman, and any official statement out of the Middle East, Sudan, or the Indo-Pacific that turns an information gap into a confirmed event. That's your War Brief Daily for July 16. No spin, no noise, just intel.